Since their founding in 1990, GAM has become a full manufacturing company known for their diverse range of products and collaborative and flexible manufacturing processes. Their gearboxes and other specialized mechanical drive solutions can be found in industries like robotics and automation, packaging, material handling, medical and pharmaceutical, aerospace, and defense. Galco is your worldwide e-commerce source for GAM's cost-effective customizable products that are built to your specifications to fit your application needs. To shop our full line of products from GAM, visit us at galco.com.